Filippa ridet taħrab minn dan ir-raġel. Ma rridix tibqa' titqaħħab li qed tmur il-bot. Imma ma kellix flus. Allura, aċċettat li tibla droga fl-istonku u tiġi bihom f'Malta.
I had to find something, a solution to leave, to disappear, sort of. And the day after this happened, I crossed with a person, which she was a friend with a friend of mine. And she mentioned occasionally something that she was doing. And the word trafficking came up. She was trying to find someone to do this for her because she couldn't go this time. And I told her, I do it. I didn't think about the consequences. This is my opportunity. This is my chance to live. She introduced me, this by the phone to the people who I had to meet, which I had to go to Turkey, Istanbul. But as soon as I was going on the plane from Portugal to Istanbul, I started crying. Like, I had the feeling like I'm not coming back anymore.
Trid tkun iddisprata ta' biex tagħmel xi ħaġa bħal din. X'biża' daw setgħu jew infaqgħula fl-istonku, jew setgħu qabduha.
Filippa titlaq mill-Portugal għat-Turkija. Hemm kellha tiltaqa' ma' traffikanti u jgħidula x'għandha tagħmel. Ma li tasal, Filippa ġiet imġiela tibla droga. Bekk tkun tista' tgħaddi mis-security mingħajr ma jindunaw bil-pilloli fl-istonku.
I met the person that I had to meet. He was quite gentle with me. He gave me some money straight away, a place to stay. And then, I had to do what was the deal. Swallow the drugs. And I had to export them to Malta.
Timmaġina li persuna ikolla tibla 100 kapsola bid-droga ġo fiha. Bid-batija Filippa bdiet tipprova tiblaħħom waħda waħda, imma ma rnexxilix tiblaħħom kollha. Di bdiet titlef id-demm u beda jitlala d-deni minħabba di-droga li kellha fl-istonku u dak il-ħin beżgħet li se tmut hemmhekk.
It was supposed to be 100 capsules, but I couldn't manage more than 50. I did start bleeding, I did start having high fevers in 1 minute. I felt like I was going to die there, where I didn't know nothing. But then I phoned him during the night that I was swallowing the capsules for the next morning for me to travel to Malta. I phoned him and I told him I cannot do this anymore because I'm feeling this way. But he told me, okay, stop there, but you cannot put out what you already swallowed. You have to do this now. And I tried to export the ones that I had inside me.
Il-pinnoli kienu imdawrin b'tejp u kull pinnola kienet id-daqs jisu ta' 5 ċentimetri. L-ewwel ftit belatom bla problema. Imma imbagħad it-tejp li kien imdawwar mal-pinnola beda jobroxilha griżmeja u l-istonku. Bdiet tixrob iż-żejt biex ħalqa jkun jiżloq ħalli l-pinnola tkun tista' tinżel iktar malajr. B'dan il-mod irnexxielha tibla nofshom. Belet 50 pinnola.
They were really hard to swallow. They were ripped out, rolled in with white tape. And they were capsules in the size of maybe a 5 centimeter thing, And they start scratching my throat. I started bleeding. But then and there was oil, so oil would make it easier to swallow it. So it was quite a bad experience.
Filippa kellha mina tisegwiha. Kellha ornijiet ċari, ma li waslet l-ajruport biex tiġi Malta ma setax tiekol. Ma setax tmur it-toilet. Minħabba li ovvjament seta' tneħħi xi droga. Fuq l-ajruplan stess kellha min wassa tagħha. Filippa kienet segwita l-ħin kollu. Ma setax taħrab.
I didn't know what was going to happen, It was told to me like, don't eat, don't go to the toilet, and I was like thinking, how can I do that? I go just on a flight and I just don't do nothing. That's very suspicious. But anyway, I did what they asked me to do. But actually, I was so tired, exhausted of the life that I was having, of running away, of whatever situation I passed through, that I thought to myself, I don't really care.
B'50 pinnola fl-istonku, Filippa bdiet tibża u bdiet taħseb li kulħadd kien qed iħares lejha u li kienet qed tinqabad mill-ewwel. U l-iktar ħaġa diffiċli kienet li tgħaddi mis-security tal-airport.
I mean, I was like my eyes everywhere. Like I was paranoid, like someone is already suspicious on me or someone's going to take me. You know, I was quite like this paranoid, but I tried to cool down, to relax, you know. So I tried to be normal, like to look normal, like I wasn't hiding nothing. Well, then I had to pass through the security, and that's when everything stopped. Because I wasn't counting on it. They searched my bag, they ripped all my bag apart, they didn't find nothing, because everything was inside of me.
U din xin irnexxiela toħroġ mill-ajruport di ħadet ir-ruħ. Marret dritt il-lukanda ħalli tkun tista' tibda toħroġ il-pinnoli minn ġo fiha ħalli tgħaddihom lit-traffikant.
F'daqqa waħda jħabbat il-bib fil-kamra tal-lukanda. Fetħet. U ssib il-pulizija.
And then after a few hours, there were people knocking on my door. I thought, this is the person I have to meet. Well, there were like 6 people, and me, I was smiling, like I finally go home. But no, they were inspectors and detectives and whatsoever. So anyway, they treated me so good. Like I admitted straight away what I had. They took me to the hospital. It took me mostly a week to there, which all the nurses, they were very kind to me. The officers that they were with me, because they were by shifts, one day after the other, like by night and day. They used to bring me food. They used to go with me to buy whatever to eat, you know. They were very kind to me. Since then, I mean, I can't say otherwise.
L-isptar għamlet ġimma biex irnexxiela toħroġ id-droga kollha minn ġo ġisimha. Batieti għax kellha żewġ pinnoli imwaħħlin ħdejn il-qalb. U kieku nqala t-tejp u ħareġ id-droga minn ġo fihom, kieku Filippa mietet.
There were these 2 capsules stuck near the heart that they didn't want to come out at all. No, but then, thank God they came. They came out. I mean, it took a long time for these 2 to come out, you know, because those 2, they were opening. So I could have died. The tape was coming out. If that would open, because we didn't know how many grams or whatever was inside, we couldn't manage that. But they were there stuck next to the heart.
Filippa teħelt 8 snin ħabs u hi tammetti kollox. U tajt li ħadd ma ġala tagħmel l-affarijiet li għamlet. Id-deċiżjoni kienet kollha tagħha.
The day after they came out, I went to prison, which it was okay. I knew that I did what I did because I wanted. No one forced me. That was my decision, so I was guilty. I couldn't blame another person or either to lie.